Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zany Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Grammar English 2 and I am gonna tell you about the topic clauses. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. And the viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested you to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. And if you need another topic, please tell me by commenting. You will get the same topic in the next video. Literature in Pakistan, Zany Study Instruments. The clause. A sentence which is a part of large sentence is called a clause. It contains a subject and a predicate. एक ऐसा फ़िक्रा जो एक बड़े से फ़िक्रे का हिस्सा हो क्लॉज कहलाता है और ये सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट पर मुश्तमिल होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज़ हाउस वेयर वी लिव. ये एक लार्ज सेंटेंस है. एंड शी हैज़ अ चेन विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड. और ये एक लार्ज सेंटेंस है. अब इसमें से क्लॉज निकालते हैं. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वेयर वी लिव इज द सेंटेंस. ये एक सेंटेंस है बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ सब्जेक्ट वी, क्योंकि इसमें एक सब्जेक्ट है वी. और एंड अ प्रेडिकेट लीव. अब इस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट भी है और प्रेडिकेट भी है. इसका मतलब है कि ये एक क्लॉज है और ये सबसे बड़ी निशानी इसकी कि ये एक लार्ज सेंटेंस का हिस्सा है. सिमिलरली, दिस इज द हाउस. अब इसको इज द सेंटेंस हैविंग दिस for its subject and is for its predicate. अब इसमें भी this subject है, is predicate है और ये एक clause है क्योंकि ये एक large sentence का हिस्सा है. But both are parts of a large sentence and hence each of them is called a clause. दोनों एक large sentence का हिस्सा हैं और ये clause कहलाते हैं. Read the following sentences. We should leave where the climate is good. हम वहाँ रहते हैं जहाँ की क्लाइमेट बहुत अच्छी है. The above sentence consists of two parts. अब इसके दो हिस्से हैं. First, we should leave. Second, where the climate is good. Kinds of phrases. First, subordinate phrases. Kind of clause. First, subordinate clause. Second, coordinate clause. First of all, subordinate clause. A subordinate clause which does the work of an adjective, an adverb or a noun. एक ऐसा clause जो तीन चीज़ों की तरह काम करे. First of all, adjective. Second, adverb. Third, noun. For example, an adjective. Blessed are those whose cares are few. Adjective clause. I have lost the book that he gave me. That he gave me. Adjective clause. Up second, an adverb. Go where you please. Adverb clause. Return as soon as it is 10. Adverb clause. Up noun. That he is going to get the job is certain. I do not know how he did it. Second types of clause. The coordinate clause. Examine the following sentences. He is very poor, but he does not beg. This sentence has two parts. First of all, he is very poor, and second, he does not beg. These two parts are joined by coordinated conjunctions. Yeah guys, ये था आज का टॉपिक. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. एंड किसी और टॉपिक की ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं. आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वही टॉपिक मिलेगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.